What's this about? You okay?
I need you to sign a sell ticket for a client of mine.
Fuck, Greg. Let's fucking deal with this. Let's talk to Michael.
No. I got arrested last night.
What?
The FBI arrested me.
The FBI? Why the fuck would the FBI arrest you?
Because of my involvement in the firm.
Is it your involvement with the firm? What the fuck does that mean?
Come on, Chris. You know what that means.
No, I don't know what that means. What does that mean? What the fuck did you tell them?
No, I didn't tell them shit, okay? All right, they already knew everything. They had photographs. They had tape recorded conversations. They put my father in, Chris. I mean, there was nothing I could have done.
What did you do?
Chris, the FBI will be here in 20 minutes.
What the fuck are you talking about? Fuck, Seth!
Come on, man. I've been asking you for months about the shit going down here. And you know what you said? You said, shut the fuck up. You said, get ready to be a millionaire.
That's right. Shut the fuck up. That's all you had to do. Haven't you learned anything?
I learned how to fuck people out of their money. Harry Renard just lost his life savings. He wasn't a whale. He was just some poor schmuck and I took him. I did everything that JT Marlin taught me to do. And I made up his mind for him.
What do you want me to tell you? That's what we do here.
What? We lie. We're liars.
Seth, this... Who are they coming for?
They're coming of everybody. Everything.
Do you know how hard I've worked to get where I am?
It doesn't matter, Chris. It doesn't mean shit, all right? Right now, at this moment, is what you need to be thinking about. What are you going to do the next 15 minutes? Because they're going to come in here and they're going to make sure that we never trade another share of stock again for the rest of our lives. We can do something.
What's that?
Harry, my client, I need a senior broker to sign a sell ticket so we can take his shares and dump them on the open market and make his money back. Come on, Chris, come on. What's the difference? All right, just make one right decision here. Just sign it. Please. Thank you, Chris. So sorry.